Alright, so that's pretty much full right now, so we're going to go ahead and close it up. You can see that we fit quite a bit in there. So here's the timer, the menu selection, and this is for the dryer, which we're not using yet. So we have it on normal, and I usually turn it on for about 9 minutes. Alright, so basically all you do is you just open up the washing side here and the drying side, which is on this side. And you want to be sure to remove this portion. This is going to go on top of the clothes once you place them into this portion. You don't want to overload it, but it can usually fit probably 5 or 6 items in it. Okay, so as you can see, we placed the wet clothes. I ring dry them just a little bit and then put them in here into the spinner, and then I'll just give them a good push right down there. And then with the extra plastic piece here, just put it on top. Give it a little press down. Drop that cover. Second cover. You should close this too because it runs a little quieter with this one down. And here's the spin timer. I usually run it for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So let's give it a spin. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open it up, remove the plastic cover, and then as you can see everything has been spun dry. Actually it works pretty good. So these are still fairly damp, but they dry really quick. I'm in California, so maybe it dries much quicker here. If you live in a more cooler, maybe more damp environment, then you might want to spin dry it a little bit more. But for me, 1 or 2 minutes is plenty sufficient, and then I'll just hang them up to dry. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the water now. So, close this. Alright, so basically there you have it. Once I pull them out of the spin dryer, I just hang them up, and they're usually dry within a couple hours. I live in a pretty warm climate, so if you live in a cooler climate, you might want to leave them hanging a little bit longer. But yeah, that's the way it works. If it's a heavier item like a towel, maybe jeans, I will typically hang that by the window. But other than that, I just hang them in the closet. And again, I usually do the laundry in the evening, and then the next day, most of my clothes are completely dry, ready to wear or ready to be ironed. Well, there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to click subscribe for more videos, and check the description for more information.